Hello, in this video we'll be showing you how to use Telit's deviceWISE software to send data to IBM Watson while running on a Lenovo IoT Nano gateway. For this example, we'll be using simulated data along with real data coming off the system monitor of the Lenovo IoT Nano. However, this process will work for any type of device you connect to deviceWISE, including PLCs, torque tools and nut runners, robotic and CNC machines, legacy machines using raw and digital I/O, and many other types of devices. Start by navigating to the website internetofthings.ibmcloud.com. Click on the Sign In button, log in or create your My IBM account, Once you are logged in, create or select the organization you want to send data to. Create a new device type. A device type is how you group devices with similar characteristics, in this case the Lenovo IoT Nano Gateway. Give your device type a unique name. Fill in what device information will be the same across your different devices within your device type. In this example, the manufacturer and model number will be the same. Once your device type has been created, click on the Register Device button. You will need a unique ID for your device. In this example, we'll be using one of the MAC addresses of the Lenovo IoT Nano. Fill in the remaining relevant device information of your gateway. Give your gateway the role of privileged gateway. Keep the security defaults. Verify that all the information you entered is correct, and create your new device. Now it is time to connect deviceWISE to Watson. Select the Enterprise section under your deviceWISE node. Create a new transport with type Watson. Give your transport a unique name. Copy over your IBM device credentials to your new deviceWISE Watson transport. Click the Validate button to test the connection between deviceWISE and Watson. Click on the Store and Forward tab and enable Store and Forward for your Watson transport. Adjust your Store and Forward settings and save your new deviceWISE Watson transport. Click on the Transport Map tab. Create a new transport map for your Watson transport. Give your transport map a unique name. Select your Watson transport. In the JSON data window, type in how you want your JSON data payload to be formatted. Enter the name of the data variables you want to send to Watson, followed by a placeholder data type value. Enter a placeholder data type value next to the variable associated with the data type. Click on the Update Parameters button. Click on the Map Parameters button to map your JSON data format to the transport map's variables. Validate and save your new Watson transport map. Now it is time to start sending data to Watson. Create a new deviceWISE project or open an existing one. Create a new deviceWISE trigger. Give it a unique name. In this example, we will be using a scheduled trigger event type, set to send data every 1 second. However, you can set your trigger to change based off how often your data changes. Add a new static integer variable to keep track of your Watson event type ID with a default value of 1. Add a transaction action block to your trigger logic flow. Double-click on the transaction action block to open its configuration menu. Then map the data source to the variables you want to send to Watson. Copy over your IBM Watson device type and device ID. Select your static event ID variable as the value for your Watson event parameter. Enter a value of 0 for your Watson quality of service variable. Add an expression action block after your transaction action block. Configure your expression action block to increment the value of your static variable by 1 every time your trigger sends data to Watson. Complete your trigger logic flow with an end execution success action block. Then add a global error handling action block with an end execution failure action block to handle any possible errors. Save your trigger, then right-click on it to start it. In a moment, you will see that your trigger has successfully run several times. Now navigate to the Devices section on the Watson Cloud. you will see your new gateway. Expand your Gateways menu and select the Recent Events tab. You can now see your data flowing from deviceWISE to Watson. For more information about any of the products shown in this video, please visit the link shown on your screen or in the description below.